More and more people these days spend a lot of time sitting down. It might be due to work or school or just their daily habit. And if you're one of these people and you've been hitting the gym because you want to get stronger, build some muscle, but more importantly, feel better, but you're still dealing with aches and pains in your back, your shoulders, or your knees, then this video is for you. As a gym owner and coach who's worked with hundreds of clients over the last decade, one thing that I've noticed is more and more people are losing the ability to perform basic human movements. They can't comfortably squat below parallel, they struggle to reach both arms over their head, and their hips and hamstrings are so tight that they're constantly dealing with lower back pain. And the mistake most people make is thinking that the solution is to go to the gym more often and work out harder. Now, don't get me wrong, going to the gym and building muscle definitely helps, but that is only one part of the equation. What might surprise you is that one of the biggest things holding people back has nothing to do with how strong they are or how much muscle they have. It's actually the one thing most people neglect, and that's mobility. And once you start doing these 3 exercises that's in this video for just 5 minutes a day, you'll already be doing more for your mobility than most people in the gym. The first one is my favorite, and it's the dead hang. This is the big one if you spend hours typing, driving, or just looking at your phone. Think about how most of us spend our day. Our shoulders are constantly pulled forward, and a dead hang simply takes your body in the opposite direction. It helps open up your shoulders, it's going to improve your overhead mobility, and many people find it feels great on their back after a long day of sitting. It will also strengthen your grip. And what's interesting is grip strength is actually one of the strongest predictors of overall health and longevity as we age. And your goal is to eventually be able to hang with your entire body weight for a whole minute. If that's hard for you, you can start by keeping your feet lightly on the ground and gradually using more and more of your body weight over time until you're able to fully hang. This next mobility exercise is the one I wish I did earlier, because if I did, I wouldn't have ever hurt my knees years ago and had to take a whole year off of squatting. And it's the assisted deep squat hold. With how chairs, couches, and even the seat of our car is designed these days, we never get a chance to get fully into a deep squat position anymore. And the assisted deep squat hold simply helps you get back into that position. I've had many clients who cannot squat even below parallel still be able to get below parallel by getting into this position. And it's so simple. All you need is something to hold on to, and you sit down into a deep squat position. And over time, this can improve the mobility in your ankles, your knees, your hips, and even your lower back. It can also help counteract some of the stiffness that builds up from sitting all day. And the best part is you don't have to force anything. All you do is you just sit into the deepest squat that's comfortable for you. You hold it for 30 to 60 seconds and let your body gradually open over time. This last one is if you notice that you have rounded shoulders and more of a posture problem. The band pull apart is going to be the exercise that's going to help us with that. All you're going to do is hold a resistance band out in front of you. You're going to pull it apart while focusing on opening up the chest and squeezing the muscles in your upper back. This helps strengthen the muscles that are often weak from sitting all day, and it encourages better shoulder positioning. And the reason why I like the band pull apart is because it's so simple. Every time I teach a client how to do this, they get it immediately, and they just require one set of bands. Just make sure the band is light to medium. You do not want something that's super hard to pull apart with. And all you do is just a few sets of 10 to 15 slow control reps. And over time, it's gonna wake up your upper back, improve your posture, and get your shoulders moving the way they're supposed to again. And honestly, that's it. You don't need a complicated mobility routine with 15 different exercises. Just spend a few minutes every day doing the dead hang, the deep assisted squat hold, and the band pull aparts. And if you're brand new, start with 1 round and then work yourself up to 2 rounds and eventually even 3 rounds. And keep in mind, the goal here isn't to become some kind of mobility expert. The goal is simply to move better, feel better, and keep your body functioning the way it's supposed to as you get older. Because while being strong is important, being strong and mobile is even more important. And if you're interested in how I stay in shape just training 3 days a week, I'll leave my next video right here, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.